guys, what's going on? Today is Saturday, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Today's video is going to be a little different. Don't really have anything to do today. I'm supposed to get this car welded up, but my welder was busy, so hopefully we do it next week now. But yeah, I wanted to just probably gonna end up just taking off the brake booster on the car. Get that out of the way. I had like a deadline to finish this car, but I haven't even been honestly the car is down. Obviously I know it's down. I'm not even rushing one bit. If I was really rushing, I would have just did everything already. 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? But I give me 1 second. I honestly just been chilling and just enjoying the car, doing stuff little by little, not taking, just taking my time, not rushing anything, because I didn't. That was my whole thing. I didn't want to rush anything at all. So I think for right now, it's going pretty good. So I'm just gonna take off the brake booster and eliminate that. Obviously because I need to take that off. I need to sand back there. So I'm probably gonna sand a little bit back here also. Do some stuff back there, but for the most part, the bay is literally almost finished getting sanded. Gotta do down there and stuff like that. But we guys gotta remember, this is can spray paint, so once they throw the primer and everything on it and sand it, it's gonna be easy. This paint's gonna stick onto like nothing. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off the brake booster, and that's about it. And just explain to you guys why I stood b16, because there's a lot of people that ask me, oh, why you didn't go K, why you didn't do this, why you didn't do that, and then it's I don't know, I did it for me, and there's reasons for it. I'll explain to you guys everything after this. I gotta take this bracket off also. Forgot to take off. If you guys don't know, this is where I had my catch can. I have my catch can mounted right here. Totally forgot about this bracket, so I'm gonna take this bracket off also. And I've just been sanding down already a little bit, so I'm gonna continue. Keep you guys updated. Alright, so finish sanding down this area here. Got to down here. I just gotta get down here, but as you guys can see, the brake boost stuff is in the way. I gotta get underneath there. Some spots over here too. And should be done. Yeah, so basically I just need that little area right here and then behind here. The next thing I'm gonna do, I think, actually I'm gonna keep probably sanding a little bit, or actually probably take the brake boost off first and then just finish sanding out and everything. Alright, look at this mess. What the fuck? But all this is gonna go back. Guys will know the hole I'm gonna be drilling out. I don't know if I might do it today, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do it right there to run the brake lines and stuff through the prop valve and everything. But right now, I'm gonna take off, you guys see those 4 nuts, take off that little clip, take the brake booster out, and yeah. But all of this looks like a crazy mess, but if you really think about it, so the dash is just pushed in, obviously, but crazy part is this goes bolted back up here. All of this stuff just goes right back up. The fuse box gets bolted onto right there, and everything else also, all of this just goes up here. And then once you put all the plastics and everything back on, everything literally goes away. And then all of this is my music stuff. So all of this, if it still works, because it's a wiring mess, I'm gonna have to probably redo this whole thing over also. But let me show you guys real quick. All of this, what is this over here? Something. Oh, that's why, because it's spliced in, I forgot. Anyways, but all of this is gonna go back here where my music stuff goes. And then, you guys don't know, my car's automatic, so you see this little plate right here? I cannot move that plate from right there, because if I move that plate from there, my key won't be able to come out, and my key will stay stuck in it. That's this little piece is when you put the car in park, in automatic car, it activates so the key be able to come out. My car's automatic, so I still need this. So I needed to keep this in that place. If you don't have it and you move it, you could just move it around. You'll hear like I believe it's like a little. You hear like a little click, and that's when you know the car thinks it's in park. So, but yeah, all of this literally just goes back. You know, back there. This goes back there. This goes back up here. Everything's gonna look back to normal. Obviously, a heater core, I gotta get a new one. Over there's like 20 bucks. But yeah, slowly, we moving slowly. It's just, you know, everything takes time with this. And my motor, obviously, you saw it got sent out. I get once the crank gets cleaned up, the block gets put together, the head gets put together. Then I gotta do the brakes here because I gotta put the steering column back and the dash because I wanna go take the engine bay to go get painted, which I'll show you guys a reveal of that when it gets painted. Because I can't like push the car or anything with the steering wheel column and everything being on the floor. Alright, booster should come out now. Yes, sir. Goes. Got it out. This brake booster is still good, so I don't think I need to get another one. I think I should be good with that one. Alright. So now that that's out, now we can just start sanding this area right here. But yeah, guys, my camera, my battery on my camera is dying. I gotta go get a haircut, but you guys see, ended up doing firewall, everything back there, sand it down. I gotta get a little bit more sandpaper, then I'll go over it. I'm gonna wash everything, degrease everything. That I'm gonna degrease the subframe, everything. That's gonna get done hopefully next week. And yeah. Alright, so I finished up. Have some time, real quick, some downtime before I gotta go get a hair because I'm looking bad. But, alright, what I wanted to address is, not address, just say. So, basically, I'll say like 50% of the people be like, yo, why you didn't go K-Series? Why you showed this B16? It's a 1.6, it's a small motor. My answer to all of that is I really don't care what anybody else is doing, building. You know, and this platform is mine's, and it's like I don't really care what other people think about me or think about what I'm building or stuff like that. And this is just me being like straight up. I said with the 1.6 because I don't really give a fuck like if you have the fastest car, the fastest street car. I'm not trying to be the fastest, the cleanest, the freshest. I just want to have a nice looking car, which I'm doing right now. Have a quick motor, you know, 500 horsepower. I'm good with that. I don't want no 800, 700 on the street. I'm not doing nothing with that. This is not a track car. This is a street car to go to the track, race, drive, cruise, car show, enjoy with my daughters, my wife, friends. It's just mine, you know what I'm saying? And I really don't care. The 1.6 was something that I already had a platform of. Everybody knew me because of the, not knew me because of that, but knew I had a 1.6 b16 with an eBay turbo kit. Everybody really liked that, enjoyed that, and a lot of people went and did the same exact thing, you know. So me personally, I could have won K-Series 6 times, like with the money I spent already on doing this. It was nothing about money, nothing. K-Series is super cheap to be able to do. I could have done that with no issue. Just I still with the B16 platform because that's what I had. That's what people knew me as. I like to be different, and I just want to enjoy my motor. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not trying to be the fastest. Like I said, I really don't care about anybody else's car. The 1.6 is gonna be a little. It's gonna get me to where I need to go. It's gonna be fast. It's gonna be good. K-Series is really expensive now with the parts. You break transmissions every fucking. You miss second gear once, you gotta fucking buy second gear and other gears, and it's like, what, like $500. We gotta repeat doing that shit. B-Series box. It's way easy. It's like stronger. You don't gotta spend that much money. I know it's like a dinosaur, the B-Series too, but again, I really don't care. This is what I wanted to do, and I just enjoy being different than everybody else. Everybody else is going K-Series. Like 95% of everybody is going K-Series because it is a great platform. Don't get me wrong. It's a great platform. You can go fast on a stock motor, make 600 horsepower, but that's not really what I cared about. I could have been did that, like I said. I like to be different. I wanted to stay with what I had and do my own stuff, you know. If I do end up getting another Civic, I'll definitely go K series or motor boost something. I don't know. But at the end of the day, this is what I wanted to deal with. This is what I wanted to stay with. This is what people know me as. I want to be different. I said 99, 95, 99% of the people are going K series. Everybody that's B series is going K. I get it. If you're going all motor, that's the way to go because it's a fast stock. Them shit's making 240, 250, whatever. It's great. You know what I'm saying? But me, it's not a race car. It's meant to be fun. Me to enjoy this car and fuck a lot of K series up, to be honest, when it's done. So yeah, that's why I still with it. Like I said, you guys build to enjoy. I build myself to enjoy it. Build yourself to enjoy it. Don't care what anybody else says. I enjoy my platform. When I get tired of it, I'll go K series. Who knows? This is what I wanted to stick to. This is what I know, and I just wanted to be different from everybody else. So you can, I always get the why you didn't go K series, da da da, the money you spend. But K series is expensive one also, and then the gearboxes are shit. And yeah, again, everybody's doing K series. K series are amazing. Don't get me wrong, they're amazing. Stock make a whole bunch of power, all motor and turbo and boost. They're a great platform. You can do a lot with them. One of the probably best Honda motors out right now because you have so many parts. They're fucking breaking records and everything. You know what I'm saying? But again, I wanted to stick to my B16. This is what I wanted to do. If I get tired and do something else, then I'll switch to something else.